Hold on, that nigga got aura with it. Hold on, wait, hold on. He ain't had it in the first movie. Hold on, that nigga got aura now. Wait a minute. Oh no, these niggas majestic with it, bro. These niggas majestic with it, bro. I fuck with it, bro. I fuck with it heavy. Bro. Nah, this shit look crazy as fuck.
What do you think, bud? You want to give this another shot? Shoot, Wax. It'll be fine.
What's this to do?
Ready?
Oh, nigga, that was hard! Why did nigga just fall off like that? Hold on! That shit was hard as fuck, bro. Now, these niggas is cold. These niggas is cold, bro.
Dragon Master.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast. His heir to the throne of Berk. And the greatest Dragon Master this world has ever seen.
Light fury. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself.
It's all over now.
Or is it?